Right, as you can see, I've come on a little way since you last saw it. She's got her wings on and the undercarriages. Flip it over. Yeah, I've got the canopy in place. Yeah, finished the sanding and everything. As you can see, it's all masked up, ready to paint the underside. Now, as I said, I completely forgot to record the intermediate bits. Never mind. And the engines have been painted as well. They've come out quite nicely. Very happy with those. So yeah, right. I'll paint the underside and then I'll bring you back in a bit. Right, first layer of paint done on the underside. I don't know if you can actually see a difference in the colour, but I can. Considering this first coat has come out fairly even, I am quite happy with it. So just bought a cheapo, but a bigger brush so I can you know, get more done quicker. Yeah, bear with me. Yeah, the exhausts are painted, and I've just done the centres on the props. Yeah, so yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Yeah. So yeah, this is gonna get its second coat in a minute, and yeah, once that dries, I'll mask it up again, and we'll do the top side. Alright, so I'll see you probably when I've done the top. See you in a bit. Alright, well, the underside is now fully painted, looking good. Particularly happy with how the ball turret has come out. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that. Yeah, it doesn't move particularly well, but it does move a little bit. Yeah, I'm quite happy with yeah, how that's turned out. It's not entirely finished. The bomb bay doors won't go in closed, which is a real shame. But never mind, they'll go on last. And I've not put the exhausts on, but I'm going to leave them for now. As you can see, she's got legs on, got the wheels on, so the moment of truth, if I can get a hold of her, she's going to stand on her own 3 feet. There you go. Yeah, quite happy with that. I'm going to leave the masking tape on till tomorrow, then I'll peel it off, remask it for the underside, and then paint the top. So yeah, I'll bring you back when I do that. See you in a little while. Alright, there we go. She's had a coat of olive drab. The masking didn't work terribly well. There's a few leaks and bits that I missed, so I'm just going around with the ocean grey now and touching up the join lines. Need to sort out that bit because that didn't mask at all. To put it in totally the wrong shape, but I can fix that. But yeah, she's coming along nicely. I made a bit of a fundamental error by sticking the nose glass on. I forgot to put the machine. Oh well, I didn't put the machine guns in first because I leave the guns off until very end because in my experience, when I've built B17s or any bombers in the past, the guns are very fragile and they snap. You only got to look at them funny and they snapped off. Yeah, that could be interesting trying to pass the machine gun in through the windows because I'd rather not. And I've got my paintbrush in my mouth. It's better. Yeah, I'd rather not cut it off again and re-stick it just in case. But yeah, I'm going to try and pass the machine guns in through the little windows using tweezers. See how well that works. But yeah, I'm quite happy so far. So I'm just going to go around and touch out all the lines where the paint's bled through. So yeah, I'll bring it back. Once I've done that, I'll probably put the engines on first and paint them and then bring it back. So yeah, see you in a little while. Right, well, the engines are on with the prop, so that's quite cool. I'm going to give the top half another 24 hours to dry and harden up before I attempt to put some lacquer on it. I shouldn't have to wait that long. but it seems to be the longer I leave the paint, the less likely it is to, or less badly it bubbles. I'm going to have to try and find a different brand, I think, see if that makes any difference, but that's the only one that my local hobby shop sells. And the other one that I bought, yeah, it doesn't attack the paint, but as soon as I put a wash on it, it does. So I can't seem to win at the minute. It's doing my head in. Anyways, in a bit. It's happened again. I've done a coat of the Tamiya clear coat, and I've rubbed it down a bit, but it's blistered the paint again. I've given it 24 hours to dry before I put it on there. This happens every single time. It's doing my head in now. I found out if I just rub it gently with a cotton bud, then it smooths out a bit, but it leaves that, which not best pleased. It keeps ruining my models. I don't know what the hell is going on. Well, it's shit basically. I don't normally swear, but I'm annoyed. It's just ruining my models, and if I don't do this trick, then after like 6 months or so, the decals peel off. So what am I supposed to do? Right, there she is, all decaled up, and then lacquered, a nice semi-gloss, looking really, really good. I'm not going to do panel lines on this. I can't be bothered. It's just too much potential to ruin it. So it's going to be a case of now start putting the guns on and using PVA glue to create these windows. So yeah, probably catch up with you once I've finished. See you in a bit. Right, okay, so yeah, we're getting there, I suppose. I painted the black along the leading edges of the wings and the tail fin. So yeah, she's I've patched up the paint in places. So there's a bit where it's slightly more matte than the rest of it, but yeah, I've done what I can. It's not. Again, I had a problem with the varnish attacking the paint, and she's just so annoying. There's not a lot I can do about it. But yeah, so she's ready for decals now. Hopefully, get her finished very soon. But while I've been waiting for that to dry, I've been having a bit of fun. I found this last week in a charity shop for $2.99. Just a silly little bit of fun. So, I like old steam traction engines. So yeah, as you can see, it's coming along. I'm quite happy with how the wheels have turned out. How well you can see that. That was good fun painting those. It's a nice detailing on it. There's your front wheels, so you can see them, and a bit of the front. I like painting fine detail stuff. I'm not very good at it, but I do enjoy it. It passes the time nicely. So I'm gonna crack on and do some decals on the B17, and I'll bring you back when I've done a bit more. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, right, that's the underside decaled up, I think. Yep. As always, one disappears into the ether, so that sort of squarish one on the side of the engine cowl in there, when I went to put the one on there, it just disappeared. That was weird. As I said, I find when I'm doing decals, there's always one that just disappears into the ether, never to be seen again. Or you find it randomly a couple of days later stuck on the back of your hand or something. But yeah, that's the underside dry. I'm going to give that an hour or so to dry, and then I'm going to give it a coat of lacquer. I hope it doesn't attack the paint. I need to seal them in because the little ones do have a habit of just falling off and disappearing. So give that an hour to dry, give that a squirt, and then do the top side. So see when I've done top side. Alright, and there it is. All the guns are on. The ones at the back did not want to go in properly. I knew there were going to be a problem. Got all the masking tapes off the windows, and most of it's come out pretty well. There's the odd little bit, but I'm quite happy. The white on the little square windows at the front and along the side, that's PVA glue. That's a trick I used to do when I was younger, to do these small windows. That will dry clear and will look better than the plastic parts that come with the kit. So I'm going to give that all a chance to dry and settle down. Tomorrow I will dry brush some exhaust burn on the wings, and then I'm going to call it finished. I'll take it outside tomorrow in the daylight and get some better shots of it for you. But yeah, I'm calling it finished. There you go. Alright, I'm calling it finished. Quite impressed with how this one came out. That window didn't work last night, so I've had to put some fresh PVA in there. I was going to put it down so I can get a better view. I might go back at a later date and do a panel line wash on it. I don't know, but I'm very happy with how this has turned out in the end. Despite the problems with the lacquer attacking the paint, but quite happy with it. The only problem is now I'm in danger of running out of model kits if the model shop's not open on Wednesday. I've got some kits, but a lot of them require some stuff to make rigging with, and I haven't been able to get hold of any, which has been a bit frustrating. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one very soon.